Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 50th Ave, Mr. Border City. Today we're here this beautiful pre-owned 2022 Ford F-250 XLT. The exterior color is tan, and under the hood is a 6.2-liter V8 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps, and over to the side we have 19-inch aluminum wheels running Goodyear tires, as well as black handles and black mirror caps. This 2022 F-250 also comes with remote start, as well as an engine block heater. At the rear, we have a power lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior, we have driver-friendly feature power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings as a door storage. Making our way into the cabin, you'll see our lovely gray cloth seating with adjustable located on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a tilt steering wheel, with a crucial option to the left and a median hatchback option to the right, which is developing your rearview mirror along the cabin lighting. Looking forward, you can see that this 2022 F-250 has 116,300 kilometers on it, as well as over our center face, you'll see options available such as audio, phone integration, application, and settings, which is below being your climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2022 Ford F-250 XLT, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping with us at Boundary Ford.